foot than the left foot.
Is yeah, just here with the immediate family. What are y'all doing for Thanksgiving?
Nothing. I'm probably just gonna be chilling at the house. Probably spend some time with my friends. Like we have all the orphans and strays. That's what I call her. She's a stray. It's like a lot of drinks. So see the car.
My hand is up in there.
Going on.
I'm having a little accident over here while you're recording, but I'm done now.
Yeah, February people are the best.
Yes. September people.
They're the best. I mean, that's just the way it is.
Yeah, September people are definitely the best. I agree.
No. The opposite.
No.
What month? What's your birthday month?
May.
May.
Yeah, May 12th. What's your birth month, Dr. Ship?
September.
September.
Really, I do find that October people are just easy and cool, and yeah, all of my friends that I have in October.
I'll come back to that
a
part
joy.
then. I'm gonna do front leg, and then. Well, actually, you know, I'll come here, and then I will release you, Nat, and I'll do the rest with my metas. How about that?
You were saying that
Not
something
sure.
was pinching you back there. Is it?
Oh, yeah. Do you see anything back there, Dr. Ship? Because it was pinching me, I guess on the foot, if the foot had a wrist. Or
Like right about here,
like where your hand is.
back here. Okay, I'll give it a look. See,
Thank you.
might be
I
kind of
forgot
odd just based
about
on our
that.
positioning, but I'll do what I can.
Hmm?
It might be a little odd based on our positioning, but I'll do what I can.
Thank you.
Okay, and then I'll come back around to this. So I'm gonna put a warm towel here and get all this cleared up.
It looks like a mountain of sawdust.
I was thinking cornflakes.
Ew.
I know that's what you say.
Weird, and I never run around and say, "Where's my super suit?" or anything.
Yeah. And then you put on your scrubs. That's your super suit.
I do not look like Frozen.
Look, if you dish it out, you have to be able
That's
to
true.
take it.
We've been roasting each other for years, Natalia and
That's true.
I can't remember who insulted who first, but
Probably you did. You think I would go
Yeah.
say something to my boss? No.
I think, yeah. It was you. You started it.
You see?
I mean, you're a boss. She wouldn't go and insult you.
Exactly.
they insult me all the time.
Because you
Now?
start.
I'm a good Christian man. I wouldn't do that. All right, that was a lot.
Really?
Yeah, it was a tall tale. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have to come back to that part.
It's cold in here.
I thought it was just me.
It's cold in here.
Yeah, it was freezing earlier. That's why I'm all bundled up.
Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this. Peel the rest of this off. There it is. It's coming off in little flakes.
gave me one of those. I love it.
You use it? Oh yeah, you're in pretty good shape when I saw you in the office last.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm just doing a little cleanup here. Okay, you butter soft on the bottom.
They look pretty.
Got a little bit more. Here. Oop, and I knocked something on the floor.
You shouldn't be so bad. Then you wouldn't get scared like that.
The keys. There we go.
I'm not bad. I'm an angel.
Let me see what we can do here. And I'll have to come back later. I will go between them. I'm gonna floss the toes with a towel, but I'm gonna do all 10 toes at one time.
So what?
We're gonna just kind of piece them up.
Do people really watch that long?
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh.
People just sit back and watch this. Here, give me 1 second. Let me get you clean up.
Yeah, they do, because I know when I'm watching like the ice videos, because I like the ice crunching ones.
You watch people crunch on ice?
Yeah, I like it when they make they can make spoons out of ice or like any kind of shape or whatever. And I like the sound of it. It's really relaxing. It could be, for like 10 to 30
You watch it
minutes
too?
or something.
I know what she's talking about. But...
Yeah, for like 10 to 30 minutes. And I wouldn't know how much time has passed because, yes, it's just relaxing.
So is that also when like women do stuff and they can like tap their fingers on stuff or whatever? Is that kind of like that same?
Like ASMR.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like that.
Me either. I hate the tapping ASMR. I don't know why. It just really gets on my nerves. But the crunching, I like it. But
The
not,
sound of people crunching ice.
Yeah, but only ice, not nasty food. Like, not.
Okay, yeah. What is that
not
called? Mukbang or
snacking
something
and-
like that? Yeah.
No, I cannot stand that. No, but the ice crunching, yeah.
I don't like any of those.
Oh no.
Mm-mm. The only one I could tolerate was Pipkin.
Oh my gosh, he was so adorable.
I don't even know who that is.
That rabbit.
He was a rabbit. He is a rabbit. Do they still show Pipkin?
I think so, but he's deceased now. Yeah.
I know.
But I think they still have his videos up.
Oddly enough, and I'm gonna floss between the toes now. Even though I'm not a dog person, there's some dog, I can't even remember the dog's name, but I will watch him eat like his, well, first of all, that dog eats better than me. But he goes through like, he'll have blueberries and like a lamb heart or a chicken heart and some kind of goose liver. They feed him like all these exotic meats. And I will watch the dog sit back and eat a little bit, make a comment about how the dog eats better than me, and then carry on about my day. So I do kind of understand why you feel that way about like the ice crunching thing. Break all that out. Okay. We're getting you cleaned up here. Oh yeah, there we go.
Ready for PT.
For PT, yeah. Ready for all of it. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna come over here.
Where's the concept?
You break something.
That used to hurt way worse than what it does now.
Yeah, you're doing a lot better.
No.
It's almost like your therapy that the therapist told you to try, combined with my advice, works. Who would have thought? We probably know what we're doing. All right,
Who
we
would've
buff on
thought?
this side.
Who would have thought?
Make a bit of a mess
They
here.
know what they're doing.
I'm gonna check this and that.
That they know what they're doing.
They do know what they're doing.
All right.
Why podiatry, Dr. Tripp?
Oh, why podiatry? Okay. Alright, so parents are in medicine.
Say it again?
I said parents are in medicine.
Right.
Or we're in medicine. My mom was determined for me to be a radiologist, but I'm not a TV person.
Mm.
So she kept pushing me in different directions. I've got a cousin that's a pediatrician.
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't interested. Another guy that's a family friend. He is more or less like an uncle. He's in plastic surgery.
Mm-hmm.
Went and shadowed him and everything. It was
Didn't
cool,
like
but
it?
it wasn't really my thing. I don't know why. It just wasn't. It didn't. Did I enjoy what he was doing? Yes. I don't know.
Okay, fine.
Fast forward. How was that?
It
Don't-
hurts.
You don't like that?
No.
All right. So I'll stay away from it then. We may have to do the top in a different way then. Do the dorsal area in a different way. So fast forward through. One day I hear my mom kind of talking offhand. She was like, yeah, there's this one guy, Mike Wilson, he's a podiatrist. I'm like, what's that? She was like, you should go and shadow him.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, all right, fine, whatever. I protested a bit when I figured out what he was doing. And I went. And it turns out he was nice.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty laid back. Pretty chill guy. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to do this. And she was like, are you sure you're going to be dealing with people's feet all day? And I was like, it doesn't bother me. And she was like, I can't deal with it.
I wouldn't deal with it.
My mom's a doctor, so she was like, yeah, that's not my thing at all. And I was like, all right, Mom, but it doesn't have to be for you, it'd be for me. Next thing I knew, I was in New York studying. And when I came down here, and that was that.
Couldn't do it. I would have chosen plastic
Sorry.
surgery
Oh,
over
it's
this.
okay. It's just, what's the old saying? Every lid has a pot. Every pot has a lid, or whatever. Yeah, there it is. Every pot has a lid. And I do feel like I'm doing a lot of good.
Oh, definitely you do. Boo. Are you able to throw this away? Thank you.
That hurts.
I don't see it. Oh no, I'm looking for the trash can. I don't see it. It's okay.
And that's a
I can
no.
get there.
You don't like that?
That's better.
If it's bothering you, I don't have to do it. How's that? Is that bothering you?
Is that bothering you?
So you know.
No, I think, I'm sorry. That one.
Okay, that bothers you. All right, we'll stop there.
Yeah.
And we got a good amount done today, so we might have to stage you and do some, and then come back and do some more.
Okay.
Oh my God.
What?
He's gotta come back.
Amazing.
No.
You love when Dr. Ship comes. Then you get to
I'm one of
pick
her
on
favorite
him.
people. Yeah. I don't know if she front like she don't like me.
You love when Dr. Ship.
I do.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't tell him.
That's fine. You think you're the first person that's can't?
But I don't know if I would drive over the Fred Hartman Bridge for it.
I don't
I
know
don't
who
know
that
that.
is.
You think I would?
Where is that?
It's over the ship channel.
Oh, that's what that bridge is called? Oh, I didn't know that.
But I don't like bridges and I don't like heights.
You?
So that's how I gauge how much I love somebody, if I'm willing to drive over the Fred Hartman for him.
You have no problem being in my office, especially you don't even have a problem with the corner room.
I know, but I'm inside. I'm enclosed. I'm not where I can like drive off the bridge.
But wouldn't you be enclosed on the bridge
Mm,
in a car? No.
I'm enclosed, but there's nothing to keep me from accidentally driving off the bridge or whatever. I don't know. It's a crazy phobia thing.
You know, we listen and we don't judge.
Yeah, I don't like heights and I don't like bridges.
You would. She was like, Mom, where you going? I
I'm gonna
gotta
pick him
go
up.
to this
Mhm.
bridge. Stop
She would
pushing
go and
me.
pick me up. I'm sure she would.
I don't know.
Hmm?
Yeah, she doesn't have them in. Oh, but if anybody needs an audiologist, the audiologist is wonderful.
Who are you seeing?
Oh, yes, she is.
Dr. Wiggins. Memorial
Yeah.
Audiology, I think. I'm telling you, he is just
Yeah.
phenomenal. The whole office is, oh my God.
It's beautiful in there.
And the people are the best.
Yeah, they're really nice. They are. I'm still grateful.
That's fine. You know, I appreciate that you're appreciating me for doing my best. But,
Shit.
Mobile trust.
No, I sent